Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video, and today our topic is designing new templates in Microsoft PowerPoint. Uh, we'll be discussing about the master slide and how you can change the fonts, colors, branding to have some standards of your presentation inside your organization. Sometimes you need branding. Now the question is why we need to learn this or all these things, because templates are already available in the PowerPoint by default. So why to change or create new one? The point is that when you are using the existing templates, those are used by many others as well, or maybe you have used many times. So then look and feel of your presentation will be might be boring for others, and they might not be attracted in addition to your contents, because sometimes this look and feel is also important. For that, you can change your fonts. Let's say, for example, if all the presentations are on Arial, and if you choose another font, it might be attractive. And at the same time, there is a color scheme. For example, you have your own branding colors, so you want to introduce those one, or you want to create a template for the presentation for your whole organization, so everyone will follow the same template. Because when you change colors or let's say, for example, fonts, sizes, etc., this is sometimes, it will go against the standards or principles. Let me give you an example. Colors, you can't change or select any color. You have to find relevant colors. So let's say, for example, what can be background, and if this color is of background, what can be for the text. Because normally, if you see, majority of us, we are just changing the colors and all those things. We think this is okay, this is fine, but there are certain standards, there are certain patterns you have to follow, otherwise it will not look nice. Okay, so now we will go into the PowerPoint and we will see how we can change, and I will try to explain as much as possible that from now onward you can improve your presentation skills using PowerPoint, right? Okay, let's move. So now I have opened PowerPoint, and your version might be up or down, but you can check. I hope so. At least these templates will be available, so nothing to worry. So first, let me show you the challenges in the available templates. What kind of challenges you might face, what kind of changes you can do, or if you are not able to do, this is how you can do it. So I've just have this template. Let me open it. It's just default available in PowerPoint. So the very first thing is, let's say, for example, this title are all titles on the all slide. If I need to change the font, I will have to change one by one manually. So just imagine if you have around 30 plus slides, so it might take time, right? Secondly, let's say, for example, if you want to change any layouts or images, or you want to add a logo. So how you are going to add the logo on all slides at the bottom. So another challenge, you have these graphics or these images. Yes, one way is just right click, format background, and you can say hide background graphics. Okay, this is one way. Here you have these again titles or these bullets. So now if you think that if you are presenting, and maybe this template, if it is within your company, might be someone else also used, or if it is somewhere, to the public at large or on the internet, so maybe these fonts are boring for them because they are viewing them for a long time or since morning in the presentation. So a minor change might bring some attraction or a better look and feel in your presentation. Yes, contents will matter for sure, but presentation is in your PowerPoint slides. So this is how it is on this slide. This is how on this slide. So let me add one slide, just new slide, right? So this is new slide, just add it. So now I will right click and we'll go to layouts. So if you see here, there are certain layouts, right? So you can select any of these because now these are coming from slide master, the template. In a while we will go there, but let's say for example if you need a comparison, so just click this comparison, you will get this slide, right? So ready-made template. So now let us move to our slide master. So to move to slide master, there are two navigations. If you want to use just shift key, press shift key, and then on bottom this there is a small icon called normal, just click it. You will get this screen, right? You can close master view from here. And next, another way is from view and slide master, right? This is your slide master. The same template we were viewing in the normal mode. So in the slide master, this is your parent or the top slide or master slide. So any font changes or any things or image changes, if you will do here, it will be immediately replicated on the all child slides. So let me do first. I'm going to change its color, for example, because color will be immediately visible. I'm just changing it, let's say this one. Okay, so if you see here down, all titles got red color, right? And same way other. So just to make some changes, I'm going to change, let's say for example, color will be like this, and font I'm going to change just like this, just to show you. Okay, it might not be attractive, but the objective is here to just show you how you can change. So if you see here, all the subsequent slides which are child slides also got updated, right? So now let me change its background. So now when you are in the slide master, this is the menu, right? Slide master. So just come to the background slide, background styles. You can click any of these. So let's say for example, if I'm clicking this white, the all slides background will be white, right? Now another thing is, let's say for example, if you want to make on any one or certain slide, then you will just click that one, and whatever changes you will make on that slide, it will be only for that slide. Okay, so now let's close and go back, right? So our layout got changed. Wow. So next time, let's say for example here, if you see here, I can't do anything, right? Now let me go back to slide master, and on the first, if you see here, this is my master, and I click here. Let me move like this, just to show you. Not like a professional, but objective is to show you. See, now it became down to this. Okay. Again, let us go back to our slide master, and here, sorry, if you see here, this is from, now on this slide, this is our master, sorry, title slide. Here it has some additional these images or art or whatever lines. So let me do like this and move like this. Okay, up to me or up to you. So close. So this is my title slide, right? Here that master slide will not be shown, okay? That is just for the template building, okay? This is how it is. So if you want to hide, you can hide from here, the images, background images. Okay, now let me go again to slide master, and if you see here, for example, this is your first slide, and you can go to this, and here you can hide footer or titles, and if you go on the first one, you have this master, you know what you want to show. These options are also there, right? Another way is to add these let's say slide numbers. You can go to, let's say, for example, because from there it is only the designing part, right? From here now we have to add slide numbers are not there, right? So let me click here and I will say insert slide number. So this is slide number and this is footer. Let me add both, right? And there is an option don't show on title slide, okay? Daytime I'm not adding, and apply to all, right? So if you see here, this is my title slide, there's no footer and the number, and then this is my second slide, I would say. So if you see here, this is number 2, and this is my URL or something you can display over here, right? Now, how to change the layout? So do you want me to change on all pages? Now you have to change on all pages if you want to change. Let's say, for example, you want to change its font or change its size or color, anything, you will have to go and do manually. So instead of doing that one, let us go to the slide master, and on the top I am going here. Let me change, for example, let us fill something in this and this, right? So if you see here, all updated. And now also let me update something about bold. Let me do like this. If it is, let us change some size to, I don't know, just sample, right? And slide master and close. Okay. So if you see here, all slides updated. Okay. So same way, now colors. I wanted to discuss about the colors because sometimes when we create presentation, what we do. To be honest, I was doing for a long time like this. Okay, this title. Okay, let me put like this. Okay, let me say, for example, this Calibri. Okay, and color. Okay, because this template is already there, right, for me. Okay, if by the way, if you will have these colors, these are theme colors. If you will change the theme, those will change. But this is standard colors. Okay, these will not change. So let me say, let's say, for example, the way we were doing. Okay, this second slide. Okay, this is something. No, this is not a good way. Or here I was adding, let's say, for example, background. For example, let me put something like that. Oh, good, good. The slide is good. But these colors play very important roles. So might be this combination is not correct. Combination means on this background, this foreground, or the text colors may be not as per color standards or color science, I would say. So let me show you how you can select your colors. Now there can be limitation. Let's say, for example, if you have a color theme, you have to follow that color theme, right? Else you can Google out. I have opened this site color.adobe.com. create color dot wheel, right? So you have to check a color wheel. There are different color wheels, but they are following the same standard. So this is a color wheel, right? So normally these are three colors: RGB, red, blue, green, red, green, blue. Okay, this is the sequence, RGB. Now, if you have any color theme of your company, you have to follow that one. Else, you can select from here. The more, sorry, right? Okay, let me bring it here back. So from here, when I will move, because there is this arrow sign, right? So I can drag, and if you see down, it is changing, right? So the more outer side is darker and the inner side is soft. So let's say, for example, if I have this theme, so according to colors, now let's say, for example, these five you can use the way you want, but these five colors, not something else, because they will, these are complementary. They will be, I mean, opposite to red, there's a greenish. Okay, so this is how this color wheel is used, right? Like this. So if you have this one, so maybe you can have this background, front like text color like this. So I mean, it is up to you now. Now it is giving you the color code as well. So let's say, for example, I need this color. So I will show you how I can take this to our presentation. Right. So if I have to change the color of this, I will come here. Okay. And here you will see more colors. Custom RGB Control V. I'm pasting it here. Same color is here now. Right. So same way, let's say background I have to change. I will come here. I'm just using this one. So slide background fill. This is sorry. No. Let me click here. So what I will do, these are different options, preset gradients. Okay. Pattern fill, I just want to, these are the patterns. You can see background, and here I have more colors, custom. Okay. So if you see here, this one. So this is how I can implement a color theme. So now my target is to use these colors. Okay. Now another way is, let's say, for example, I can download. Let me show you. Adobe, it is in downloads. Okay. Control C, let me copy. If it will be copied directly as a file in my browser over here. Okay, fair enough. It came. Now, for example, this text, I want to use this color. One way is to use this color code. Other way is, I will just select this one. I'm going to the color, and then I will say eyedropper. This last. Click and then click here. Okay. It has picked the color from here and applied over here. Right. So this is how you can apply your color schemes. Please stop now just selecting any color. You select from here this. No. This will be a wrong way. You are not following the standards, because this color wheel is to provide you the color theme. If you will see, certain professional site or something, the color will attract you. Why? Because they have followed certain standards, and these are the standards. So now if I will follow the standards, I have these colors. I can again go to wheel. I can choose different, whichever, I mean, favorite for me or as per my standards. But this is how you have to select. from the color wheel, right? You can download, you can pick whatever you want. Then there are others as well, analogous as well. Analogous is, so it will stay within blue. If you see here, this is all within blue, analogous, right? You can do like this one. So if again it is in the same, see, cycle direction, it is changing now, right? Then we have tried, so it will take all three colors, RGB, so mix of three. Anyway, you can just, and this is split, see, and compound, and so on, shades, see. And this color code, it is provided. You can copy and you can use in your slides, right? So I think we have covered the colors as well. Now, sometimes you have seen that we are not adding images in our slide with in a professional way. So let me add something. So this is a picture. I will just select from stock images. Let us take this one. Okay, insert. This is the picture. Is it looking nice? Let me add a background, right? I can add a background here. So normally how we are doing, I will show you. So let us select, for example, this one. Is it looking nice? Okay, what I will do now, I have to do like this. Okay, then like this. So it will be like this. Now I need for all slides. So what I will do, instead of doing this one, I will be going to my slide master on the first one. Okay, you can have picture or texture here as well, which I will show you in a while. So here I will do picture, this one. So let's see, I will select this one. I'm just selecting any. Okay, so this is my slide here, and this is how I'm going to slide it. Now right click, send to back, right? It is now on the back side. We will discuss later further in maybe next video that how we can reduce its colors and all those things. But at this point in time, you can just have this like this. There is another one like this here, picture or texture file. So you can insert or clipboard, because I just copied, so you can use clipboard. Okay, so let me take another one, insert. Now this time stock images, and let us take, it was this one or another one. Let us take this one, this, we can take this maybe. No, this is paid one, I can't use that. I think this is okay. Okay, so if you will do it from here, it will automatically fit in the whole slide, but from here it will just add as an image, right? So this is two differences are there. Okay, now if you see here, this is my master slide, right? Slide master. So I can add some sort of transparency, right? So instead of waiting for the next video, we can even try it now. So I have reduced, or you can say increased transparency. So now colors got bit lighter. Now let us go to our screen by here, or you can even click from here. Normal, up to you. Wow. So at least we got the image as well. So if you see here, my background is on all slides. Now if I have to add a logo, so I will go to slide master, on the first page, insert picture. right? And this, okay, so I'm just adding them here. Now let us close from here and we'll see. We got logo on. So and another thing is it is on the same place are our x and y dimensions as per our first slide. So there will be no difference that if we are adding on each slide manually, in some it will be bit here, somewhere it will be here. So it is also following a pattern or standard. So if I don't want on the first, you can just hide from here as you like if you don't want, else you can even find on the first one as well. Okay, another tip which I think let us close today, it should be a last tip for the images. Let me remove this one and slide master. I think two tips. So solid fill, that's it, and close. Let me come here and let's say I need an image. So I will take one image from here, stock. Now this time I need a person, right? For example, if I can find a single one, that would be nice. Let's see this one. Okay, this is how it will become on my page. Just another tip, if you are dealing with objects, images or something like that, and you want to reduce or increase their size equally, then you have to always press shift key. So shift, it will be the same ratio x and y. This is one way, but I don't need all these details. So how to hide or truncate these one way is you can come here, crop, right? You can do like this one. Now you have to decide what is good for you. Okay, this is one way. Let us keep this here, right? Now another way is we will add this and a shape. So I will add this shape and again I will press shift key to make like this, right? This one, and no fill. Now in this I will click this picture and clipboard. No, I need this picture, so I will go to again stock images. Let me find if I can find same pictures or some other picture, because same, I don't know, it got shuffled, right? No, 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 no. Okay, let me take okay, no issue. Let me take this then, right? And clipboard. Sorry, why it is not inserted in this. Insert this. Insert. Okay, it came. Uh, Again, still it is not as per the way we want, or the quality of the picture is also not good. So what you have to do, you can click this picture format to the crop down arrow key and fill. right? It will show you the whole picture, but only visible inside. Now you can move, okay, like this one, okay, but I think this is fair enough. It is now clear, right? And you can, if you want to trim others, you will not do it again, any editing. Halas, that's it. Now, if you want to hide lines, no lines, it is no more there. So just compare with this image, I mean, you can play with this as well, right? Okay, now next is, for example, we created this template. What to do with this template? I want to save it. So file, save as, browse, right? And here I will select as template. So if you see here, by default it is taking the custom office templates. So if you click tile layout, right? This is tile layout, save. Okay. Now let us click new, and if you see here, after office there is a personal, right? So this is my template. Okay, use it, right? See, it is same, right? Okay, just use it. So we got templates, and now it got registered inside PowerPoint, and we tried different possibilities uh, to create your own templates, right? Please try and share your feedback, and if you think some other feature or something else is required to be covered, please do let me know, so I will try to cover that in my next coming video, right? Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.